Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Football View. If you're new here, you know what to do, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Today we're talking about Kotoko, Ghana Premier League club, Asante Kotoko. I'm wearing the jersey, of course. Today we're talking about Kotoko, and we're talking about one of their key midfielders who is now available for the next game against Chelsea, and that is Rashid Notte. Rashid Notte has been injured for some time now. I think he has missed about 7 games for Kotoko since his injury against Nswatreman. He's back now. I heard that he trained last week and he'll be available for Kotoko next game in the Ghana Premier League. It's a very good news, and I think it's a very good development. He hasn't featured for Kotoko under Abdul Ghazel. The last time he featured for Kotoko were trying to get their feet under Seydou Zebo. It was unfortunate that Seydou Zebo has been sacked. So Rashid Notte is coming back onto new technical team, onto new ideas, new tactics. Because I don't think when Rashid Notte was around Kotoko playing in a 4-4-2 formation. So he's coming back with to see new ideas, new tactics and all that. So I'm expecting him to come back, see and adapt. He's good like that. The former Mediama captain is good like that. He will come back, see what is going on, see the tactics, hear from the coach. I'm sure even in the training he started, he's already been told that this is how we'll play under the new coach. This is the tactics we'll be using. This is the mentality we have in the dressing room and all that. He's back, and I'm very pleased that he's back, because we need the quality midfielders available in the Ghana Premier League. Because when they talk about quality players or quality midfielders in the Ghana Premier League, Rashid Notte is one of them. We talk about quality midfielders in the Ghana Premier League. Before he got injured, he has been partnering with Richard Boedu and some other midfielders, and we have seen how important he is. His first goal was even assisted by Richard Boedu, so we know he's a very key player in the center of the pitch, and is going to be crucial for Kotoko in the remaining games of the Ghana Premier League. I think Kotoko next game against Chelsea will tell how they will end in the Ghana Premier League this season. If Kotoko face defeat or they suffer defeat against Chelsea, I think it will have a major impact in their quest of retaining the Ghana Premier League title. So it's going to be a cracker of a game. It's going to be very difficult for Kotoko, especially since they are going away from home. It's going to be incredibly difficult for them, and they are going to face bad pitch. Questionable officiating, that one is normal. Questionable officiating is normal, so I'm sure they are mentally prepared for that one. But the bad pitch, they should also prepare for that one, because they are definitely going to face bad pitches in away games in the Ghana Premier League. So that is what Kotoko should hope for. That's what Rashid Notte is coming back to face in the Ghana Premier League. I'm glad that he's back. I'm also glad that some other players are back in the Ghana Premier League. They said Rashid Notte returned to training on Thursday last week and will be ready for Kotoko Chelsea. I'll be doing a preview on that game this week. So if you're new here, subscribe and hit that notification bell and wait for that preview for the Chelsea game this weekend. So that's all for today. I hope you did enjoy that. So I'd like to know your thoughts in the comment section. See more you think about the resurgence or the return of Rashid Notte in the Kotoko team and the Kotoko training, and the potential of him starting against Chelsea this weekend. Subscribe if you haven't and click the notification bell. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.